the following national awardee, Dr. Mithilesh Satyanarayanan.
I confer Young Entrepreneur Award to Dr. Mithilesh Satyanarayanan, founder and CEO of MIT Square Services Private Limited, Bangalore, Karnataka.
Dr.
Congrats, Mithilesh.
Yeah. Dr. Mithilesh is an educator and entrepreneur and is an alumnus of University of London with PhD in computer science. He closely works with Make in India initiatives. His expertise in technology research at both theoretical and application levels ranges from industrial projects to academics in the domains of education, engineering, and healthcare. His major research focuses on smart technologies, communication systems and data science, information science, human computer interaction, and social informatics. He has won several research awards and has been invited as a research consultant at various industries. Dr. Mithilesh is the founder and CEO of MIT Square Services Private Limited, which is headquartered in Bangalore, India, and has its presence in Southampton, UK. MIT Square is a business growth and consulting company engaged in advising, executing, and transforming businesses. Their services include incubation and startup, creating business blueprints, establishing business framework, drafting and complying with startup regulations, business operations, talent enablement and acquisition, innovation and research, patent filing, product design and development, IT and engineering services, manufacturing and supply of various technological and non-technological products. Congratulations, Dr. Mithilesh.
Thanks a lot for the kind introduction, Ramya ma'am. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
I would like to deeply thank National Foundation for Entrepreneurship Foundation, NFED team, especially Karmavir Jyoti Professor Dr. Ganeshan sir, for establishing a unique organization catering to the socio-economic development through entrepreneurship. This has created an entrepreneurship or cult across the nation to bring in socio-economic sustenance through entrepreneurship development, which I see from a global perspective. This is really hats off to you, sir. I would also like to thank members of the award panel, family members, and all the other entrepreneurial family who have joined us. Once again, thank you for this award. I honestly never expected that when I sat down at desk in London a few months back. I just started a firm in Bangalore. I just started in Jan or Feb, and we ended up in pandemic. So I had no idea where I stood, a chance to prove myself during this unprecedented times. So it's kind of a real motivation for me to prove something better and to do something for the betterment of the society. At an age of 19, maybe when I was pursuing my engineering, I realized some of my friends from rural side struggle to pay college fees and they were not allowed to attend class. So that's pathetic in India. The moment you don't pay your college fees, you don't attend the class. So education has to be provided for free, which I really felt. And for me, coming from a humble background, even I found it very difficult to pay my school fees and college fees. This forced me to start Raj Square Charity Foundation at the age of 19. I used to raise funds for my friends to make them study, make them pay for their college fees, and make them give more training to get placement in different companies. So we started raising funds from neighbors, known networks, and that's how it has come over the last 9 years. Through this mode, I continued to pay my school fees, college fees. Then with just a flight ticket, I came to UK to pursue my master's and PhD. It's a long way. I don't want to get emotional, but this kind of things has made me really, really strong. I've raised my family. Now my parents are very happy, and this is my first entrepreneur award. So it's quite, it makes you really feel good that you have done something to the society, to yourself. And yeah, as Ramya ma'am mentioned, we provide a lot of services to the society. We provide a lot of NGO activities. We provide students to build, upskill. We try to place them in different companies through networks. And yeah, we are happy to support in all possible ways to underprivileged people. Now, when I look back, there are many more catalysts for what has made me this way. But the most defining moment was deciding to think this way, to get into entrepreneurship, have my own firm, rather working under some big company as a slave. It's better to be the king and do a lot of good things to the community. And I will continue to do a lot of good things with a lot of support from you people. And yeah, this award means a lot to me. It's a symbol that I see it plant in myself. I grow into something that someone else can also use. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for this wonderful opportunity.
Congratulations, Dr. Mithilesh.
Yeah,
Do well.
congratulations and thank you, Dr. Mithilesh.
Thank you.